so surprised to try this. Let's begin the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also comment. So guys, trying this new Mary for the first time. This new Mary bite from my sister. She loves this dress and like it's so amazing dress. Guys also love this dress and like the new decoration for Otka. I love this dress. Like his favorite color I think is green. When she sees this, he's so happy. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I see that. Also comment. Share with your friends and family, and enjoy the video. It's saying my baby Oscar. Look at him. Sorry, look at her. How she is doing like. It's so funny thing I have ever seen this. Yeah, I'm really so happy for this. How Otka is so cute like that. And that is my flower I have given to Otka when he came to my house. And Otka is so happy for that. Otka is favorite the flower thing in my home. Yeah, it's two things he loves so much. One is Otka's food and this. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching.